Good second morning to you. I just go back to bed after I drop Henry off at school, and then I'm up again. I made pancakes this morning because Henry really likes to have pancakes on the weekends, but this weekend that wasn't happening. And someone's gonna meet me at 10:40 at the shop to buy. It's a weekday, and I got up and made pancakes, which kind of added a little bit of stress to the day, but damn, these are good. And we made it to school on time. I'm getting ready to go over to the shop. So I've got a basket today I'm gonna bring and try to go through the bathroom cabinet and maybe pull that out, ask Casey if he wants it, and list it, because there's a cabinet in the bathroom that we forgot about. So that's what's happening. The other thing that we need to do today is clean up outside. There's hoses and just stuff out front. Pest control's coming today, so I feel like that's a good combo, you know, the out front area can get a little cleanup. My parents are coming tonight. We're gonna go to Henry's school performance. I'm not gonna take you along for any of that. That's just family time. And so yeah, today will probably be a pretty quick one. Yay vlogmas! Yay for cleaning up with me. I feel like first aid can still be useful. This afternoon we're going to get groceries because we're making the frosting for that little cookie bar thing I made last night. Not overly practical. So I've been parking in my usual spot, which some of you might have observed is down the driveway a bit. I find the little walk between the car and home is a really nice, peaceful, transition-y thing. Grocery time. Keys, pocket, control. Listen. Put your car in the bag. Thank you. Come. What are you doing? Don't play little song.
After took a nap.
Yeah, he's really been resting about this. So I gotta show him. I did the frosting. This is what Christmas time in our life looks like right now. leave in the comments the Christmassy things you're doing so I can live vicariously through you. If you are doing Vlogmas, share a link. And if you're not, just tell me a Christmassy thing